we're delving into the world of everyday English phrases, where we will discuss some common but useful English phrases which will help turn your ordinary conversation into extraordinary one. So, if you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves a good chat, this video is going to be helpful for you, and these phrases are going to be your new superpowers. So, buckle up for this fun linguistic ride. Now let's kick off our adventure with "to the best of my knowledge." Picture this, your teacher has asked you a tough question and you want to give it your best shot. So you confidently reply, "To the best of my knowledge, the answer is option A." And there you go. You're off to a strong start. Now let's say your boss has assigned an important project to complete within a time frame. After working diligently and completing the job, you may want to let them know that you've got it covered. So you can say, "As per your request, the assignment has been submitted on time." Your boss will surely be impressed with your promptness as well as your vocabulary. If you're in a group discussion or study session and you want to review some key concepts, this phrase will come in handy. Start by saying, "As you may recall, last time we had covered these topics." This will help everyone jog their memories and start a new discussion. Suppose you and your friends are planning a road trip. Now your friend, while detailing the itineraries, starts explaining a complicated route. Now to make it easier for everyone to understand, you can just point to the Google Maps and say, "To put it simply, this is the route we are taking." I'm sure your friends will appreciate the clear explanation. Finally, imagine you're in a debate club or a meeting and someone has made a point that you disagree with. Well, instead of being mean or fighting with them, you can just be polite and still disagree. In this case, you have to say, "With all due respect, I have to disagree with you." This will show that you can bring in different ideas respectfully. So you see, these everyday phrases not only enrich your vocabulary, but also help with your confidence and grace. So that's all for today. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more such interesting episodes.